Girls that eat, but she still got food as well. Let my wife have her space.
Hi, welcome. I'm just getting a coat up for everybody. Hi. And the tray up. Use DD10. Okay, let me get that pinned up for you guys. Hi, welcome. Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing of my goodies. Day 2. I'm gonna swatch this time. Yesterday I wasn't sure if I was gonna swatch, but this time I'm ready. ready. So I have my code up there. If you see anything you like, you want to grab. Hi, welcome. Let me wave. I can wave at everybody. Isn't that cool? Okay, so this is my one box of my goodies. I'm gonna use the there we go, Nails in the Trap nail syrup, and then show off all my good goodies. Hey, so first color we have is Sunflower. And see what that looks like. Ooh, look at the pigmentation on that. Nice. All right, and then I have For the Streets. Ooh, okay, you know what? They're not labeled for Christmas colors, but they definitely have that vibe. Oh, I got 2. Okay, I'll put that one to the side. Some of the stuff I remember I got, some of the stuff I don't. I got a couple of charms to add, Christmas charms. Ooh, look at the snowflakes. We got snowflakes, we got snowmen, some sweaters, some good stuff, mittens. I love it. Okay, what else we got? We got pockets full. A mind frame. There we go. Ooh, I'm liking it. Okay, what else? Oh, I got a nice little bundle. I've got Dream. Oh, okay. I'm ready to swatch. Okay, then we got Cuban Link. Okay. A Little Bit in Heaven. And then Denim. Oh, okay. I'm ready. Y'all ready for me to swatch? Because I'm ready. I think I'm excited. I'm ready. And then I got a 25 pack of No Mess, and it truly is no mess. Like, it holds on to everything that's inside, and it doesn't go through. And a couple of extra 180 files. I'm sorry, yeah, 80 100 files. Yes, okay. I see you. I got a couple of Ghetto Babies, aka Cherubs. Yes. And then some goodies with some stickers. But I think everyone just wants to see the swatching. So let me get straight to it. Let me get to it. Okay. So let's swatch a couple of the ones. Hi, welcome. So I'm just swatching. Today is day 2 of my 5 days of unboxing. I did a lot of Black Friday shopping, and I said, you know what? Let me unbox them live. Some of the stuff I know, some of the stuff are surprises. Like I have 2 mystery boxes from another brand that I'm gonna do live later this week, and I can't wait to do that one. So yeah, I'm excited. I did one yesterday from another brand, and the colors there were nice. And then I just did a quick reel of the other ones. If you did get to see that live, there are some colors that are not named, and if you have any ideas, please send them my way so I can see. Oh, it's there. I saved everything because I was like, hey, take a look, see what you like, see what you don't like. Oh, I forgot my towel. That's all right. All right, so I'm gonna start off with Sunflower. Move these out the way. All right. So Sunflower was this golden color, right? So let's see what we get with Sunflower. Ooh, I'm feeling it already. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. It's a vibe. A whole entire vibe. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think it's good for any season, this one. This one's a good one. Sometimes, you know, when you're looking on a website for something and you're looking for colors, the colors never, like the camera light never does it justice the same way, right? Oh, where am I? Yes. Okay, that was Sunflower. And I'm going to close these up because I know myself. I am clumsy than a mother. And for some of you who don't like monomer smell, I already have my, I think I have my Jack Frost lit in the background. Yeah, because it smells very crisp, very evergreenish. Okay, this one is for the streets. Hi, Iris. Hi, welcome, welcome. Setsy. Hi, Sylvia. Just waving to everybody. So yeah, I'm just swatching the pretty colors I got. And I know they're not, like I said, they're not wintry, but they're definitely giving me holiday winter vibes. So, and I was just saying that even though we order something online and we think we know the color, when you see it in person, sometimes it's two different things, and I'm not disappointed. Not one bit at all. So that was for the streets. Ooh, like I said, see, I told you guys, I'm clumsy. All right, that one's for the streets. I'm upside down. There we go. And then next, I'm gonna do pockets full. I can already see the hollow, however you pronounce it. You see it, shimmery. Hey. So let's do this. Test this bad boy out. Ooh, you see that? Did you just see how it melt like butter? Yes. All the vibes. I was actually waiting for this order and the one I swatched yesterday because I already have ideas of what I want to do. I'm definitely, you know, anticipating to do the Cuban Link swatch. That with one of the colors from yesterday, I think that's going to be I purposely waited not to do my holiday nails. Just for that. See that? Am I in the whoop, whoop, whoop? There we go. Whoop. And flip it. I'm doing this upside down, so please forgive me, guys. Give me grace. And then next one is Dream. That's right on your screen right here. I'm going to put these so you guys can see them in full view. And then we've got Dream. Dream, dream. Did I just age myself by singing that? I hope not. Oh, this is, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of Bougie a little bit. And I love it. It's like a cross between Bougie and Kehlani together. What did they say in the live when I did it? Bulani? Bulani. That was a good one. But this is nice. It is like a dream for sure. Yes. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. All right, maybe I'm switching up my idea of what I wanted to do. What? Okay, I may just switch up my idea. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold up, sis. Oh, man. Don't do it like that to me, Daj. Oh, no. Okay, Cuban Link is the one I really wanted to see, right? Okay. I'm excited for this one. Okay, where can I... Perfect angle. Do not move. Don't mess it up. All right. Ooh. Yes. 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 Who gets excited and like hums or sings when they see something they like or they enjoy? Even if it's with food. I hum with food too. I don't play with my food. Neither does my little one. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. She does not play with her food. That's what took me so long, guys, to get on. She decided at the last minute, right when I was all ready to go. I'm hungry. So what are you going to do? Gotta feed the babies. Gotta feed the babies. Yes. Yes. With the little ghetto babies. But I don't have long nails. I can't. It's not part of my life. I can't. Not with the little ones. But I'm ready. I think I have someone I know who I can do that with. My girl who loves her long nails. I think I could do that. Okay. Denim. This one. You hear her in the background? Like, I can't listen. I can't catch a break. Look at that. You would swear she want to be part of the live too. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay. Don't do it like that. Okay. Yes. This is the perfect color to go. Look at that, how it matches. It's the perfect color to go with a lot of different vibes. Yes. Yes. I am feeling that. Yes. Okay. So again, the colors I used, let's close these up, were Denim, Cuban Link, right? If I do it in the right order. Let's see if I paid attention. Then we did Pockets Full, right? And then we did For the Streets. And we had Sunflower. I didn't do it in order because I completely skipped Dream and Dream. So this is Sunflower. Oop. Sunflower. Dream. Oh, yeah. I love Denim because it marbles, and originally I was going to put it out because of that. But you know what? It kind of works because Denim never has like a true blue color. Like Denim always has like some facets of different shades. Like look how it looks on the back versus how it looks on the front. You know what I mean? So it works. No need to apologize. It's at least I like it. I mean, hey. Cuban Link. This one, okay, let me test my smarts. This one was Pockets Full, right? And this one was For the Streets. Let me know if I did good, Daj. Let me know. And then I showed before the little charms you put to encapsulate. You have snowmen, you have snowflakes, you have mittens, you have sweaters. Great for encapsulation, right? And then I used this. I had already, so it wasn't anything that was in my unboxing, but these colors were along with this. And then I had my, can you see why I said the cherub babies, the ghetto babies? Go with the Cuban Link. It just works. It works out. And then I have some stickers, some designer name stickers. Let me see what else I have in it. Because sometimes I be going there. You know, I almost forgot I had the princess stickers in here last time. And it wasn't until it dawned on me, like, wait a minute. I thought I ordered princess. It's because I didn't check. So we have some designers, some lettering. Ooh, Minnie Mouse. I knew I had something else in here. See? I'm losing my head. So I have some Minnie Mouse. And then just different other designers in here as well. And then what else came in my package was the 80-100 grit. And then the No Mess Mats in noir, black, negro. I said in 3 languages for you guys. So there you go. So that was my swatch and my unboxing. Again, if you like the colors that you see here or some of the different nail arts that were here, the no mess mats, definitely use my code. I pinned it right here. Hi, Tracy! Oh my goodness! Hi! So if you're interested, and then, you know, even if you aren't a nail tech and you are the customer, cuticle oil. Cuticle oil. You want to talk about the best that I found thus far? I have a plethora of them, and I do not do a service without it. So if you are interested, my code is pinned there. Use it. If there's colors that you're interested, you wanted to see me swatch, I have a whole bunch of other colors too. Let me know. I'll hop on a live and swatch them, because I didn't swatch everything last time I hopped on. But I definitely wanted to swatch this unboxing. Just because it only makes sense. If I'm going to unbox it, you might as well see what colors, what goodies that we're uncovering, right? So, yeah. And then I had an unboxing yesterday. I have another one tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm not going to tell you guys until before. So, I'm going to try to do this every day between 3 and 4. Again, the way these kitties are. And if I can get in earlier, the better. But I definitely wanted to hop in and share all these goodies. So, thank you guys. See you soon.